Hi there and welcome back to another NJS instructional video. In this video I'm going to show you how to drain and replace the engine oil on your lawnmower. For demonstration purposes we'll be replacing the oil on this particular lawnmower, which is powered by a Briggs Stratton 158cc 4-stroke petrol engine. However, the principles shown in this video will apply to most single-cylinder 4-stroke petrol engines. Now this lawnmower is well over 9 years old and it has never had its oil replaced. According to the Briggs & Stratton Operator's Manual, the engine oil should be replaced after the first 5 hours and then after 50 hours or annually thereafter. Now we'll be replacing the engine oil with the genuine Briggs & Stratton SAE 30 engine oil. And according to the owner's manual, it will take approximately 0.54 to 0.59 litres of oil. And there's also no oil filter element which needs replacing. Firstly, to assist the draining of the engine oil, let's warm up the engine for approximately 1 minute at idle. Warmer oil is less viscous, making it easier to drain. Additionally, ensure that the fuel is emptied to help prevent any fuel spillage. Now I've just relocated the lawnmower on concrete and put some cardboard underneath. Now for this engine, the oil has to be drained from the actual fill point, which is a bit awkward. So let's remove the dipstick and tilt the lawnmower either backwards, which is what Briggs & Stratton recommends, but we'll probably do it sideways, which is a little bit easier. Now I've just put some timber under the left hand side wheels just to prop it up a little bit and make the spilling process that little bit easier. So now that the oil is completely drained, we've just leveled off the lawnmower again. I'm just going to clean this fill port area of any excess or old oil, which was a fairly clean process. And now we're ready to start putting our new oil in. Now to accurately measure out how much engine oil we need for our lawnmower, I'm just going to use one of these measuring glass containers. So we're going to go up to 400 ml, put that in, and then I'll do another 100 to make it 500 ml, and then we'll slowly add thereafter as we need. So there'll be some old oil left over, which will kind of make up that 0.54 that we need. Now I'm just going to dab my finger in the old engine oil, so you can see the new engine oil is this nice deep red colour, almost like a wine. Now this is the old engine oil, and as it was coming out it was a bit milky and contaminated, so it's obviously very black as well. Now that hasn't been replaced for 9 years. And we're just going to add another 100 ml of oil to make up half a litre. So we filled up half a litre. We're going to let the oil settle. We'll also warm up the engine and then we'll recheck the level and we'll top up if need be. So now that we've warmed up the engine, we're just going to quickly check the dipstick and the oil level, and if need be, we'll top up. So the oil level is pretty much at the full mark. So from the amount of oil that we've put in and whatever was left over, that seems to be enough. So it was just over half a litre. So there you have it. That's how we replace the engine oil in this particular lawnmower. I hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell notification icon. Thanks for watching.